Captions are indeed one of the best tools to enhance understanding, language, or hearing ability.
Join me as I take on the challenge of creating a stunning summer landscape featuring couples, mountains, and even some paragliders in action. Today, I want to take you on a journey to capture the essence of a perfect summer day. Imagine majestic mountains, happy couples, and the thrill of paragliding all coming together to create an unforgettable scene. It's a challenging task, but I'm excited to share with you how I bring this vision to life. Capturing the perfect summer landscape is a delicate balancing act. You need to get the lighting just right, the colors need to pop, and the composition has to be spot on. But when you add in the dynamic elements of couples and paragliders, things get even more complicated. The couples need to be in the right position, the paragliders need to be soaring overhead at the exact moment, and the mountains need to provide a breathtaking backdrop. Getting everything to come together seamlessly is no easy feat. It requires a lot of planning, coordination, and precision. The couples need to be directed to get the perfect shot, the paragliders need to be flying at the right altitude and speed, and the camera needs to be in the perfect position to capture it all. It's a logistical nightmare, but the end result is always worth it. But even with all the planning in the world, things can still go wrong. The weather might not cooperate, the paragliders might not show up on time, or the couples might not be feeling their best. As a creator, you need to be prepared for anything and be able to think on your feet. When it comes to creating a summer landscape, location is everything. You need to find a spot that has it all: majestic mountains, crystal clear lakes, and lush greenery. And even when you find that perfect spot, you need to plan the shoot down to the minute to ensure you get the best light and the perfect compositions. Once you have your location and plan in place, it's time to start capturing the beauty of the scene. This is where the magic happens, and all the hard work starts to pay off. I use a combination of techniques to capture the stunning visuals, from using drones to get aerial shots to setting up cameras at different vantage points to get the perfect angle. As I start to capture the paragliders in action, the energy on set becomes electric. The couples are excited to take to the skies, and the paragliders are ready to soar. It's an adrenaline-fueled rush, and I'm right there in the thick of it, capturing every moment. The most exciting part of the shoot is when the couples take off as paragliders against the backdrop of the mountains. It's a truly breathtaking sight, and I'm privileged to be able to capture it. The thrill of the ride, the excitement on the couple's faces, and the stunning visuals all come together to create an unforgettable scene. As the shoot comes to an end, I take a step back and look at what we've created. The stunning summer landscape is everything I envisioned and more. The couples are happy, the paragliders are thrilled, and I'm left with an incredible set of visuals that showcase the beauty of the scene. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this journey to create a stunning summer landscape. It's been an incredible adventure, and I'm so glad I could share it with you. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite part of this video was, and don't forget to check out my other videos for more stunning landscapes and adventures.